All right, guys. So lately I've been having this problem with my battery. I'm thinking it's a terminal, so I bought this. This is basically, or it doesn't turn on. So this is basically how it sounds when I turn on. When I try to turn it on. Watch. Oh. Well, it actually turned on this time, but I turned it off. But I don't know if y'all saw that, the little light right there. My battery light comes on. And it says check charging system. Yeah, it says check charging system. I don't know if it was with the lights that made it happen like that, but I was having this problem before, but not as bad. And then once I put the lights, it got worse. Lately I've just had that washer right there connected just to pass the electricity, whatever we want to call it. But yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and change that out real quick. But yeah, guys, basically the car's just been really frustrating with me right now. Just not wanting to turn on every time I go somewhere. I have to keep messing with that thing, like just keep moving it until it turns on. Like I just have to guess it right. So I'm just gonna go ahead and switch out the terminal, because let me show y'all. Oh, JD texted me. But right there it says, you see? I know, but it says generator field / F terminal circuit low. And then that's what I get. It says check charging system. And I also got this code. So the codes I got is a P065B and a P0625. So, and then I checked my battery and my alternator the other day, and those are good. So I don't know what else it could be besides this and me connecting so much lights, but it's not even that much. Like I've had it before, it was working fine, and I don't know where it just started messing up on me. And that's not the first time I have problems with the terminal. That's another one I bought, but he said, I went to O'Reilly's, the guy was like, oh, you should try one of these. He said these would be better. I don't know how I'm gonna do this, but shouldn't be that hard. I'll figure it out right now. The man came to save the day since he ran into a little problem. What's up, dog?
Oh, you filming?
Yeah.
What's up, dude? What's the problem?
Basically, what we ran into, this is gonna go like this, right?
Yeah.
But this don't fit on that. You get me?
Yeah. Where'd you buy the terminal from?
O'Reilly's.
So this doesn't fit on there.
Yeah.
Damn, bro. At my dad's house, I had this tool where you could put it inside and like grind it. Like
Open it up.
It's like
To open it up.
in Spanish they call it martillo.
Hey, watch it with the phone,
Martillo. Damn it, boy.
So now what?
Bro. Your car doesn't run, bro.
Fuck.
I want to fix this shit right now.
You can't, bro.
What if you twist it in there?
Yeah, like make its own thread. Fuck, you don't have any screws, right? It'd be badass if we had a screw that was like a pigtail, which is like a point. That way when you put it here, we could just screw it in, but it'd have to be like the same size as this. You get me?
What do you mean? I don't get you.
So like basically the same little screw, but with a point. And then you'd put it here, just a screw, and then like with a screwdriver, twist it, and it would be like going through the hole, making it bigger. You know what I mean? Ira, perfect. Yeah, but now we need this.
I don't got a screw, bro. I just got a flathead.
Now what? What do we need?
Just gonna turn this.
Like you're trying to force it in there, basically.
Yeah.
Bro, you're fucking smart. I told you he's smart, bro. I wouldn't have thought of that. Dude, yeah, bro. Today I was like, damn, bro. I'm gonna get a Shelby. I don't know what. I'm gonna fuck this
Who said
dude. Me. You should connect it without it, cause then it's gonna spark.
Oh yeah, yeah. It's not gonna fit still. It did get bigger, but not big enough yet.
You want me to find a bigger one?
Yeah, I mean, you can find a bigger one.
All right, bet.
Yeah, out of battery.
Shut the fuck up. Like that, bro. I went to school. It wouldn't turn on me. I went to go get a haircut. It wouldn't turn on me. I went to O'Reilly's. It wouldn't turn on me. I got home. I showed them. Oh, it's not gonna turn on. It fucking turns on.
That's dumb. I hate that.
You think Chris is as fast as me?
Who?
Faster?
I don't know. He didn't really step on it.
Who's?
You don't wanna give any teasers, man.
Who the fuck you talking about?
The sponge, the truck. He wants to race me.
What sponge?
Chris, wait, you know Chris.
Dude, you said it to everyone. I question you. Who's that? Like, wait, you know him? I was like,
Because you do,
who the
right?
fuck are you talking about?
Hey, look what is Georgie.
George showed up with how'd you know we're here?
Con la misfire.
That'd be 6.
How'd you know we're here?
I saw your story.
Oh,
So,
alright, thanks. This shit's about to die. Yeah, dude. The terminal, new terminal again.
Is that a new one?
Yeah, but we have a problem because the thing doesn't fit.
You want a sip or what, man? Oh, fuck.
How much you pay for your car? 700.
how much?
700.
I was thinking today.
Or 575.
I was thinking today.
Dude, yeah.
It's supposed to be
700 with the
correct?
insurance or what?
But like
575 and then no, 575 is the car, and 121 is the insurance. So together it's 696. So I say 700.
So basically, I could get a Shelby. What you're saying?
Do you have any credit though?
That's what you're saying, right?
How much is the Shelby payment?
I don't know,
It's
but
700. I'm turning that bitch in right now.
nigga, you know your car was more expensive than a Shelby. I was looking online. The
Yes,
Shelby's
bro.
they're like
the
30
total
grand.
price.
30
Yeah.
grand. 20, so
¿Qué
like
traes?
that and your down payment.
Turn that bitch in. La misfire. Vámonos, straight in. Get a Shelby, way.
Hey, wait, so you're gonna trade
yeah.
in this one or what?
Fuck no, this is gonna be the daily. Bag, look at you, look what you caused.
The hype, so when it explodes, your face
Alright
is
guys,
on.
basically JD got it to fit in.
You can sue JD.
Your bonuses make up
Bald
for
and
it.
shit, bro.
Nigga, that shit shot at me.
We still gotta tighten it, bitch.
Fuck.
You make contact, Mark. You done goof.
Your bonuses make up
Bald
for
and
it.
shit, bro.
Mark, see, this shit's tight because I pressed this over this, so that's as good as it's gonna get.
Alright, let's test it. We got it, guys. We got it. Well, hopefully it's fixed.
Your voltage is good. It's supposed to be at 14. You're good.
Yeah, maybe it is good. It just sounds a little low to me.
It does, yes it does. Maybe because it's warmed up or something. It's almost at
650.
7.
Oh, okay. I thought you said it was 5 something.
No, I said a little over 5.
Okay, a little over 5 is not. You could have been a little over 6. With more
Alright.
realistic.
Alright. I guess.
Give it a little rev.
Up to what?
I don't know, just a home. They're delaying that.
Yeah. A little bit. Try it again. You guys get scared.
I don't know. You gotta drive it.
Now it's like going faster. Alright guys, so we fixed it. JD, are you sure this is not gonna come off?
Hey, wait, I did what I could. I didn't break that tap. I don't know who broke it. You'll find out when you're stranded. You don't know.
You're right.
So carry some tools on you. Do me a
Yep.
favor. I ain't gonna pick you up. So do me a favor and carry some shit on you.
Alright, I guess.
The little wrench.
Alright guys, I don't know if you guys could see the gas and stuff, but my car went ahead and turned on pretty smooth. Yeah, look, the codes went away, so I think maybe it was the terminal. Before, yeah, y'all can see that. Before the codes, I had 2 extra codes. So I think maybe my car is fixed. I'm just gonna go ahead and drive it around and see if I feel anything different, because I know before my car felt a bit weak. So yeah, I'm just gonna meet up with Aaron right now and head to the gym. It's pretty much all for this video, guys. Hopefully y'all never have this problem, because man, I really do hate it. Like honestly hate doing this shit, having to mess with it, turning on the car and shit. But yeah, I hope y'all don't have that problem. Yeah guys, I have stuff planned for this car, but it's gonna take some time. Pretty much it for this video. I don't know if I saw a problem yet. I think so. I could go ahead and check the codes right now since I drove a little bit. I'll try it again. And they're gone, so hopefully that was a problem. I hope so. I don't want to deal with this shit no more. If not, I'm just gonna go ahead and throw the whole car away. I want nothing to do with it. But yeah guys, hope y'all enjoyed this video. Leave a like, comment, or anything if y'all know. Leave a comment if y'all know what's a problem or what's happened, if this has happened to you or whatever. It will really help me. So go ahead and see you on the next one. See ya. Peace.